Welcome back. It has been a while since I've been able to address you on video about something exciting happening in AK Ricks. Currently we have a lot going on and we spent a lot of time thinking about what is next for AK Ricks, and we know buy now, wear now is a very big deal, meaning we have merchandise in this store that serve the needs and the weather of today. And the industry itself is making a huge move to do the same thing. So we're excited to bring you that. But we also have a problem. At the end of every season, there's an abundant amount of inventory for every store. And that lives certain places, and you've visited us in the warehouse and you've done other ways of exhibiting our sales, and we want to do something different. We know our event space isn't going to be able to be used as a gathering place for some time, so we want to transform that space for you, and we want to bring you AK Archives. And we want to bring you buy now, wear now sales stuff all year long, and we want to start that this week. We also know some of the problems within our industry is the idea of sustainability and the overconsumption. So we want to start AK Ricks Consignment. So starting next week, you're going to be able to bring us your gently used luxury clothing, and we're going to find a home for those because we believe fashion has a lot of legacy. We believe it has room to actually live in somebody else's closet and be repurposed and be reused to try to curb the idea of how much ends up in a landfill at the end of the year. So we're excited to test this project with you guys, and we're excited to serve you in this new way and on this new platform. So we hope to see you later this week to celebrate AK Archives and celebrate summer inside AK Ricks. Thanks so much.